Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got more parts for the tt01 track car. We've got servo arm, metal geared servo, new spur gear, pinion, some grease. You can't see this one, but they're hubs. A new set of wheels. Since you can see these ones right here. So first we're going to install the hubs and then put the wheels on. So I'll show you putting on one of these hexes because it's all the exact same. You just want to try and get this old plastic one off. If it will come off. If not, you can probably just wedge in like pliers or something in there. Holy. And that should come off now. It's very tight on there. You get your new pin and the screws it came with. So I'll start the screw in the hole. I'll start it with from outside. So now you can put the pin through. Locate the pin slot and slide that on. Turn it over so you can see the screw. Then you just snug it up with a screwdriver. Long screwdriver. Snugging up. I'll do it off. I'll just tighten it off camera because I just can't do it with the camera in the way. So now we're gonna replace the servo. So all it is you gotta undo this bolt or just undo the two bolts, this side and the other side, and then 3 bolts underneath the car. Those 2 bolts shown. I don't have a bolt for this one. So first you want to make sure your servo is centered on the controller. 0, so I'm pretty sure this is servo, so if I turn this all the way down to 0, it shouldn't work. So I know that's servo, so I'm going to turn that back up. That's your endpoints, I'm pretty sure. So it's 100% or 100 degrees, or not 100 degrees, 100%, so it'll go all the way out, like from here out. And if it's like 50, it'll be like that. And 0 will be nothing. So that's on 0. There's no adjustment. So now you're set to put on your, where is it? Servo horn. And sometimes other cars have the servo horn aligned like maybe off a bit. So you gotta put it in your car and just, it's basically a bit of trial and error. So this is my aluminium one, Tamiya one. So I'll install that. Sometimes you can't get the teeth perfectly aligned with the horn. So you can just adjust that with your trim. So don't be worried if that happens. You'll be like, oh no, it might be wrecked. That's normal. You can just adjust that like a lot off. And you can do that at the end when the car's turning. Because then you can actually fine tune it. Because then if it doesn't matter, it just doesn't matter. Because a few degrees won't matter too much. So now we can take it for a drive. I've put the new spur in, greased it, and now it should all be ready. In the car, it sounds a lot quiet with the grease in it. I need to get a program box so I can tone down the brakes. Because every time I want to go for a corner, it absolutely locks up the wheels. And I want to get some like better tires for it. These are just some basher tires. We put the new parts in, and now we should do some speed runs on 3S.
How much money did you spend on this?
Too much.
Well, at least you're the favourite. Oh, wipe out.
No. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. This is just a really quick update on the car because I had gotten a few good things. Like this is it was worth making because I got a lot of upgrades, but they were just really quick upgrades to put in, like a servo. I just bolt that up. Pinion I didn't show because I've done it like 50 million times. The hubs, new wheels, servo horn. That's it, but I gotta start thinking of new things to do to it. Or no, not thinking of new things. I gotta wait for my AliExpress to get me magnets. That'll come in April, sometime in April. And then I'm gonna 3D print out some carbon fiber ones. Make sure those work. This is a Metal Gear servo, so it's pretty good. Gotta work out my light kit. And I gotta work out the body. So I will have to cut this, modify it. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.